In this video we're giving an honest review of Wells Fargo personal loans so you know exactly what to expect before applying. These unsecured personal loans offer amounts up to $100,000 with repayment terms ranging from 12 to 84 months, no origination fees and no prepayment penalties. Rates can start as low as 6.74% APR for borrowers with strong credit, and existing Wells Fargo customers may qualify for a small discount when setting up autopay. The application process is straightforward, and funding is reasonably quick for qualified applicants. However, approval generally requires at least 12 months of banking history with Wells Fargo, and those with lower credit scores can face significantly higher rates, up to around 24.74% APR. Some borrowers have also reported slower decision times compared to online lenders. While Wells Fargo is a large, established bank, it has received complaints in the past related to lending practices, so it's worth considering the trade-offs. Overall, if you're an existing customer with good credit looking for a traditional bank personal loan with no fees, this could be a solid choice. If your credit is weaker or you want more flexibility, other lenders might be a better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of financial products before you apply.